Hello and welcome to the Reiki Gem Wellness channel. Today we're going to be talking about the top 4 crystal wisdom benefits of working with black kyanite, the stone of stability. For those who are new to the channel, my name is Shannon and I'm a certified Reiki master and teacher and a certified gemologist, and I combine those skills and passions to provide you with the knowledge, the tools, and the opportunities to practice incorporating crystal wisdom into your everyday life. And today we're going to be doing that with the crystal black kyanite. If you have been watching my videos and you find them useful and they've been helping you and you're not already subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe below so you won't miss a single gemstone video. And today we're talking about black kyanite, the stone of stability. And this is a member of the kyanite family. It is related to blue and green kyanite. This one is unique in that black kyanite grows in this fan shape. It's a very distinctive looking crystal. And it shares many of the same qualities as blue kyanite. And the first benefit of working with black kyanite is that it's extremely cleansing. Just like blue kyanite, it never accumulates negative energy and it never needs cleansing. This is a stone that will very quickly cleanse your energy field, your aura, and the energy around you. It helps to balance the chakra, and it's excellent if you live or work in a toxic environment, because not only will it shield you from the negativity around you, but it also helps to transform and transmute the energy in your immediate area. It acts as a secondary protection from negative energies. So wearing black kyanite or placing some in the space that you need to be for a while that's a little toxic will help you from accumulating that negative energy. This is also really great for gridding, and gridding is a practice. Gridding a space is a practice of placing a gemstone in the corners of the room, along the walls, to surround the room with that particular gemstone energy. So if you place pieces of black kyanite around your room, it can help then lift the mood of the entire room. This is also a gemstone that's great if you feel like you've been in a bad mood for a while. You've just been stuck in a bad mood, you don't know why, you can't seem to shake it. Then meditating with black kyanite will help you release whatever you've been hanging on to, whatever has accumulated with you that's putting you in the bad mood, and it will just help you feel a lot lighter and optimistic and fresher. The second benefit of working with black kyanite is that it really helps you calm and focus so that you can settle into meditation. If you're the type of person that finds sitting in meditation really difficult, it's hard to settle your thoughts, hard to sit still, difficulty focusing on your breathing, black kyanite is an excellent support stone to keep near you, maybe place on your leg or in your hand while you're meditating, to help you detach from the flutter of your thoughts, to help you sit grounded in the present moment in your meditation space, and enable you to really just sink deep within. It's an excellent stone for tapping into your inner wisdom, your inner guide. It calms the chaos or the flutter of the thoughts, helps ground you in the present moment, so that that inner wisdom can float up from within and you can recognize that guidance. And the third benefit of working with black kyanite is that it's extremely grounding during chaos. This is part of that stability aspect of black kyanite. If your life is feeling really busy, really hectic, there's a lot of change, and it's hard to focus on the next task at hand or to balance everything that's going on, black kyanite will help ground you and be able to look at each action, each event, everything in your life individually without being overwhelmed, so you can figure out the next wisest step to take. It helps you feel like you're sitting on a boulder of stability rather than being thrown around by the waves of life. Whenever life gets really challenging for me, whenever I'm starting to feel like there's just too much, there's just too much going on, there's more than I can handle, I sit with black kyanite to help release a sense of anxiety and overwhelm, and to take a really solid, mindful look at what's going on in my life, each individual thing, why it's causing that stress, and how I can manage that a little bit better. It really helps with work-life balance. It really helps if you're a parent and you have work-life balance. It's helping me tremendously during this year of 2020 and all of the changes that are going on. It helps me feel a little bit more rooted and able to manage the things that are changing around me in life. So if you're starting to feel overwhelmed by life, I highly recommend taking some time to sit and meditate with black kyanite, and you can release all of that excess down into the earth. It will accept it from you, and it will reduce that stress, that sense of stress and anxiety, and help you move forward through the chaos. And then the fourth benefit of working with black kyanite is stability for spiritual advancement. And this highlights the difference between blue and black kyanite a little bit. They are both extremely supportive of spiritual development, but blue kyanite is very expansive. It's very opening to enable you to connect with the wisdom, the universal wisdom, spiritual wisdom. It helps to heighten intuition and to really lift your vibration, but it can also leave us feeling a little disconnected from reality if we've been using blue kyanite in our practices. And black kyanite is stabilizing and grounding. So we can sit in meditation and spiritual practices and really experience the purpose of those practices without feeling disconnected somewhere else and generally unable to function afterwards. And this had been a feeling that I would experience going to spiritual classes and having really a deep and awakening moments, and then realizing that I still need to drive home. And it was difficult. I would have to wait a while. But in taking black kyanite with me to spiritual classes, I was able to still sink into those meditations, into those practices, really absorb the experience, and then still feel rooted enough, present enough to then make the drive home. So blue kyanite is excellent for these practices when you're at home, when you don't have something immediately following that you need to be really present for. And then black kyanite is great if you're going somewhere else for a practice, or you need to pick up the kids, or you have a meeting afterwards that you need to be present and grounded for, then black kyanite is a great option there. Thank you so much for joining me today to talk about the marvelous benefits of working with black kyanite. This is a stone that really helps you feel solid and unshakable during your day, but also helps you touch spirit, to move forward on your spiritual path, to reach your inner wisdom. It's a wonderful balancing stone that really helps you learn and absorb spiritual knowledge while feeling safe and present and rooted where you are. So thank you so much. If you do feel like black kyanite is a gemstone that you would like to work with some more, then in 2 days, I'll be posting a guided meditation with black kyanite. You do not need this gemstone to benefit from the guided meditation, but if anything in this video or any of the prompts that I bring up during the guided meditation really call to you, they feel familiar, or they trigger you in some way, then that's a sign that you should get some black kyanite and work with it some more. If you have been watching my channel and you find it useful and you're not yet subscribed, please do subscribe. And if you're brand new to the channel, I talk about a new gemstone every single week. On Wednesdays, I post an informational video about the gemstone. And then on Fridays, I post a guided meditation designed specifically for that gemstone. So if you're really interested in finding out how you can incorporate crystal wisdom into your life and making real, genuine, transformative change in your life, then make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss a single gemstone video. Thank you so much, and I'll see you during the guided meditation.